Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about preparation, that is the first step of Yoga Nidra guided meditation. Please get ready for Yoga Nidra. Lie down on your back on the floor and embrace the present called Shavasana. In this position the body need to be directly from head to toe, the legs somewhat apart and the arms a little far from the body. With the palms of the hands turned upwards, adjust everything, your body, position and clothes, till you are completely comfortable. During Yoga Nidra there must be no physical movement. Close your eyes and keep them strictly closed until you are informed to open them. Take a deep breath and as you breathe out feel the cares and worries of the day drain of you. In the practice which follows you are going to establish the sensation of relaxation in the body. It is not essential to make movements or intentionally unwind your muscles. Merely develop the feeling of relaxation. It resembles the feeling you have right before sleep. When relaxation becomes deep, sleep does come, but you must attempt to keep yourself completely awake. This is really essential. Make a resolution to yourself now that I will not sleep. I will stay awake throughout the practice. During Yoga Nidra you are operating on the levels of hearing and awareness. And the just crucial thing is to follow the voice of the trainer. You should not attempt to intellectualize or evaluate the guidelines, as this will interrupt your mental relaxation. Just follow the voice with overall attention and feeling, and if thoughts concern disturb you from time to time, do not fret. Just continue the practice. Allow yourself to become calm and constant. When you are doing the practice yourself, enable 5 minutes for this. Do not start too unexpectedly.